talk about coffee today. Coffee is enjoyed in many forms worldwide, and its popularity varies by region and personal preference. Today, we will learn some of the most popular types of coffee. Espresso, a strong concentrated coffee brewed by forcing hot water through finely ground coffee beans. Cappuccino, equal parts espresso, steamed milk, and milk foam, typically served in a small cup. Widely popular in Italy and around the world, especially for breakfast. Latte, espresso mixed with a larger amount of steamed milk and a light layer of milk foam. Americano, espresso diluted with hot water, creating a coffee similar in strength to drip coffee but with a different flavor profile. Flat white, similar to a latte but with a higher ratio of coffee to milk, resulting in a stronger flavor. Mocha, a combination of espresso, steamed milk, and chocolate syrup or powder, often topped with whipped cream. Favored by those who enjoy a sweeter, dessert-like coffee. Macchiato, espresso stained with a small amount of milk foam or steamed milk. Caramel macchiato, popularized by Starbucks, which includes vanilla syrup and caramel drizzle. Turkish coffee, finely ground coffee beans boiled with water and sugar, optional, in a special pot called a kesve, resulting in a thick, strong coffee, often served unfiltered. Widely enjoyed in Turkey, Greece, and the Middle East. Drip coffee, coffee made by dripping boiling water over ground coffee, typically using a coffee maker. Coffee culture is diverse and continuously evolving. Whether you enjoy a simple espresso or a complex flavored latte, there's a coffee out there for every taste preference. Plus, talking about coffee is also a good icebreaker. Let's see how it works. A small, cozy cafe during lunchtime. Sarah is at the counter, ready to order her coffee. Jay, her new colleague, walks in and joins the line. Oh, hey Jay! I didn't know you came here too. Hi, Sarah. Yeah, I love this place. They've got great coffee. How are you doing? I'm good, thanks. Just grabbing a quick coffee before heading back to work. How about you? How are you finding the new job? It's been great so far. A bit overwhelming. But everyone has been really helpful. How about you? How long have you been with the company? It's been about 3 years now. It can be a bit hectic, but I really enjoy it. What coffee are you getting? I'm thinking of trying their nitro cold brew. I heard it's really good. How about you? That sounds interesting. I usually go for a latte. I like the balance of espresso and milk. Lattes are great. You know, I recently read something fascinating about coffee and zodiac signs. Really? I've never heard of that. What's the connection? Well, apparently, different zodiac signs are associated with different coffee preferences. Like Aries might prefer something strong and quick like an espresso, while Taurus might go for something more luxurious like a cappuccino. That's so interesting. I'm a Virgo, so what would that say about my coffee choice? Virgos are practical and detail-oriented, so they might prefer something straightforward, like an Americano or black coffee. But a latte makes sense too. It's practical and not too fancy. I never thought about it that way. I do appreciate the simplicity and the steady caffeine boost. What's your sign? I'm a Gemini. We're supposed to enjoy variety and socializing, so iced coffee or cold brew fits us well, I guess. That's pretty spot on. I'd say you're definitely a sociable person. Do you know any other fun facts about coffee? Actually, yes. Coffee has a lot of benefits. It can improve your energy levels and help you burn fat. Plus, it's loaded with antioxidants. That's good to know. I drink it mainly because I love the taste and it helps me stay focused. Same here. It's great to meet a fellow coffee lover. Maybe we can grab coffee together more often. I'd like that. It's always nice to have someone to chat with during coffee breaks. Absolutely. Speaking of which, our turn to order. Let's get our coffee and head back. This was a nice break from the usual routine. Agreed. Let's do this again soon. See? Just a small talk. It helps Sarah and Jay move from a slightly awkward interaction to a comfortable and engaging discussion about their mutual interest in coffee. Okay, that's all for today. Bye for now.